friends, welcome back to another edition of Miss Donna's Woodland Adventures. Guess what? We're back down at the Cove today because Miss Donna has something very exciting to share with you. Plus some other cool things that have been going on down here. And I have a friend, Mr. Justin, who is here a few days ago, and he saw some really cool things while he was down here at the Cove and took some pictures and film for Miss Donna. So we're gonna add that to our adventure for today too. All right, you ready to see the surprise Miss Donna has for you? Excellent! Okay, museum friends, Miss Donna found something exciting at the Cove today. We've got the mommy swan and the daddy swan and some baby swans. Miss Donna's still having a hard time figuring out how many there are because they're pretty far away and I've got the zoom going. I can tell there's at least 3 of them. Trying to figure out if there's more. So maybe you can count and see how many baby swans you see in front of mom and dad. I don't know if there might be some more behind them. They're swimming off in 2 different directions on us there. How exciting is that? We'll have to keep checking back through the spring to see how they grow. How's that sound? All right, let's go check on our ospreys right now too. All right, now we're over at the osprey nest. You can see really well one of the parents' heads sticking up, but unfortunately, Donna can't see down in the nest, so I'm not sure if the babies have hatched. Although, when I was by earlier this week, I thought I might have heard some babies chirping over there. So, we'll have to see if they grow bigger. Maybe we'll see their heads start to pop above the edge of the nest like the parents' heads do. Otherwise, Miss Donna's got to figure out how to get a drone or a sky cam or something so she can see down in the nest and show you the babies. We'll keep checking back and see if any baby ospreys appear as the spring goes on.
I don't know, I haven't zoomed in nearly far enough yet. Oh, okay. We lost him. Where did he go? There, got him again. Oh, he's turning the other way. Oh, he's moving. He's on the move. Oh, come on. I think he hears us, yeah. I think they have good hearing. He's looking right at us. Oh, yeah, there he goes. Oops, I'm not recording. Wait, I am. We might have to dub out the audio. Oh, now we're gonna be like her with the shaky camera on the move. Oh, there's the heron. Nah, the heron's not quite as good. He's kind of far away. No, the baby went away. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah, I got the baby.
Oh, they went into the grass.
Yeah, I'm following them.
Hold on.
Where did the dad leave to?
They went into the grass.
No, there's a third dad. I don't think.
Oh, he's over there.
Where?
Oh,
I see him. I see him. I got him.
Rita's gonna be like, what?
I got him now. Oh, there he goes. Look at him go. Look at him.
Cool.
Your mom can keep my audio in.
Cool. Wow, he's quick.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe we got babies. It's so cool. I didn't even see the babies before.
And into the grass he goes. Dun, 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 dun.
Well, my friends, it's been a very exciting week down here at the Cove, hasn't it? We got to see some new bird friends. Even though they're normally here, we don't always get to see them. And we got to see 2 sets of babies. How exciting was that? We got to see the wood duck babies thanks to Mr. Justin, and Miss Donna found the baby swans. I hope everybody's having fun going out on your own adventures near your house, and I look forward to seeing everybody again next week.